In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we'll show you what happens when encountering a section control speed trap. This video is for Stinger users with a strip interface. Please note that GPS-based speed trap alerting features and functionalities are only available where allowed. A section control speed trap measures your average speed over a fixed distance, which is called a section. At the beginning of a section, your license plate is scanned by a camera above or next to the road. Later on, at the end of the section, your license plate is scanned again. By knowing the distance of the section and the time it took for you to drive through it, the section control can calculate your average speed. So how do you know if your average speed isn't over the allowed speed limit? Your Stinger will assist you. When you are driving towards a section control, your Stinger gives you a visual and an audio alert.
Approaching section control.
After about 15 seconds after the initial alert, you enter the section control and you will get an audio warning.
Section control has started.
Your Stinger knows the speed limit of the section even when the section has different speed limits depending on the time of day. If your average speed is on or under the speed limit, your strip will keep blinking yellow. When your Stinger thinks your average speed becomes ticketably high, you will be warned with a more intense audio alert and the strip will start blinking red.
Exceeding limit.
At this point, you need to slow down and drive a bit under the allowed speed to lower your average speed before the section control ends. When your strip starts blinking yellow, your average speed is on or under the speed limit again. When exiting the section control, your Stinger will give an audio alert and the strip turns back to green.
Section control has ended.
Some roads are divided into several smaller section controls. For instance, when there are highway exits. Your Stinger will guide you through these section controls as separate speed measurements.
Section control has started.
Section control alerting is part of the Stinger spot list. Please update your Stinger on a regular basis to make sure you have the latest spot list with current speed traps and section controls. Updating is easy. Connect the Stinger USB key to the Stinger desktop app on your Mac or PC. Check out the Stinger desktop video tutorials on how to update your Stinger. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.